What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can invest in S&P 500 index in Australia. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, you need to follow these simple instructions. First things first, you need to sign up with an Australian investment platform like PalmSec, SelfWealth, or Stake. Now, once you're signed up for that, you just have to look for S&P 500 funds or EFTs. Now, you just have to select the right S&P that you want to, like invest in. Once you have that information, complete the registration process on your chosen platform and link your bank account. Once you do that, you just have to transfer money into the investment account or the platform in which you have signed in. Could be HomeSec, SelfWealth, Stake, or any other platform according to you. I just have to search for S&P 500 funds, or you can search for EFT as well. Now you just have to decide how much you want to invest and place your order. Once you place your order, you have actually invested in S&P 500. Regularly monitor your investment and consider reinvesting any dividends. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.